Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft error. Remote host easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you need to do, just click here, type background apps. Now make sure to disable the first option here, and then go back and type here control panel. Now just go to this one, Java, and if you can't find it, just make it small icons. And now go to advanced and scroll down until you find here this one. You will find it like that. Just turn it on and then apply and OK, and that's it. Now just restart your PC and your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.